You armed?
No, I got it.
Why would you not have? Is he hitting me? I'll force him. I'll force him. Wanker.
Fucking idiot. Mate, he's in. Look who he's in. Skull. Oh my god, I just skull tricked him.
So this clip's just going to be dedicated to Cop because, yeah, fuck Cop. You know, I mean, you literally 53-1 or 53-2 people, flame them and think you're actually good at the game. You're all in welfare, you're all in rag, and you still end up fucking dying even with a 50-man team. Like, you are so slow to actually back your fucking team members at times that we can 53-2, like, get one of you down, get your loot, and get out. I mean, yeah, you might kill us a few times, but we've profited off you way fucking more. You get like 100 to 200k loot. We've taken you for your fucking rev loot and your staff full of deads. And yeah, as you can see, as we're starting to kill him here, his mystic friend logs in, you know, part of Cop, and he's too fucking batshit scared to fucking even try it because his teammate here. By the time he does actually skull up, his teammate dies and he insta-tedders. Oh, yeah, good teammate, good team. And then you can see like the rest of them start logging in towards the end of this clip. So we just loot what we can and get out because, yeah, we can't fucking win 2v50. It's not happening. Doesn't matter how shit they are.